A 2.5% rise in Dogecoin is expected by March 30 based on digital coin price metrics. But first, here's a quick overview of the current price movement. As we begin, Dogecoin has risen 0.9% since yesterday and is priced near $0.09119. Moving on to what analysts are projecting. Digital coin price forecasts a move to $0.09343 by tomorrow. That's roughly 2.5% from the current price. Dogecoin is expected to reach $0.0919 per cryptonization, marking a rise of around 0.8%. According to CoinCodex, the value may approach $0.09128, an estimated increase of 0.1%. A separate outlook from Gov Capital Collector points to Dogecoin moving lower towards $0.08919, a projected loss of roughly 2.2%. Finally, Crypto Prediction sees the value moving down to $0.0871 by March 30, 4.4% under now. This is the top profit forecast. Forecasts are in. Let's see what the data says next. Summing up the forecasts from all analysts, here's what we've got. According to the forecast provided, the possible change in price extends from a decrease of 4.4% to a gain of 2.5%, depending on the analyst. The numbers make it clear that Crypto Predictions predicts the highest return with 4.4% surge in value by tomorrow. From all predictions, you could gain between $1 and $44 for every $1,000 you invest. When we talk about probability, CoinCodex tops the list with a 92.4% chance of success. Taking every forecast into account, I've built one shared consensus scenario. The consensus points toward Dogecoin hovering near $0.09058 without much change. Let's go through it step by step. The consensus forecast shows a possible price decline of 0.6% by tomorrow. And by that same proportion, your capital would also reflect an increase. For a 1,000 example, the projection could indicate $6 in gain, which puts the probability of this consensus forecast being met at roughly 90.4%. At this moment, let's examine the short-term 3-day views. The direction outlined by digital coin price also points toward further gains. Meanwhile, cryptonization projects the price advancing over the 3 days. CoinCodex expects the price to slump further. The outlook from Meanwhile Gov Capital Collector shows the price drifting lower. Crypto Predictions points to a bullish course in the days ahead. Analysts together suggest Dogecoin will lean higher over the coming 3 days. Summing it up, the balance of forecasts is bullish, with Dogecoin likely to follow a rising course. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts looked ahead to the next day. With that day now over, we can check the results. Ultimately, the closing price printed $0.09098. Yesterday's results showed that most analysts were right about the move. As far as accuracy goes, CoinDataFlow stood out on top. Now let's structure the results. The daily range matched 4 forecasts. As far as ROI is concerned, the entire group was in the green, and Gov Capital Collector came out ahead. And now the recap is on screen. All forecast outcomes together. In the final stats, Crypto Predictions posted 1% ROI and $3,254,936,959 accuracy. Take a guess. Who do you think gave the most accurate forecast? Here's a side-by-side comparison of tomorrow's forecasted performance between Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies. Tomorrow's leading asset is Litecoin with 1.2% in forecasted profitability, placing it above Dogecoin. Here you can see Dogecoin compared with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended results and complete analyst accuracy overview will be published soon on my site and Telegram. If you're following Dogecoin, this breakdown probably helped. Give it a like if it did. Catch you in the next summary.